Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how can use the clock pulses in Mitsubishi PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my GX Works2 software and here we will create a new project. Which model you have, you can select it from here, and I have, for example, this is the FX2N or 1N, which you have, you can select it easily and click OK. And what's the clock pulses and how we can use? First of all, I will go to the manual and show you some data in the manual. You can easily download this manual from the internet. Just only write the Mitsubishi PLC manual FX2N. After you can quote this manual. Main page after also you like to be see, I will show you. No problem. This is go to the end of the page. Mitsubishi Programmable Controllers MELS EC-F, and here you can see all the details of the FX2L. You can scroll and easily you can see this whole manual. That chapters also you can here find it all this area, and I will direct go to the 6.2 chapter. When you got here, we will found which the number 5 6.8, and here near I think so 5147 and more. Yeah, this is 6.1, and here you can got the 6. From 1 you can start. This is you can read easily. M8000 run monitor and no contact. This is continue on relay, and here next, and when you see this one M8004 on when one or more error flags from the range of M8060. This all numbers you can, that battery low voltage also, this is you can use this M80005, and battery error latch relays M8006, and also this momentary power failure. And here we are talking about this clock pulses. Clock devices start from M80102 to M8019 and D8010 to D8019 up to. And which models? These are specific models. These following devices apply to FX2 and C, and this you can read this all data. Crystal is installed, and C is this M8010 is reserved, and M8011 is the 10 millicycles this clock pulse, and M8012 this is the 100 milliseconds clock pulse, and M8013 this is the 1 second clock pulse. Physical in the program I will use this number. You can use this M8013. Go to the program, write just only M8013 and click enter, and after you can any output you can set. After you can see this well, just only compile and go to the monitor. And close this one. Now as you can see, this is continue. This is 1 second after giving one pulse, and your output will be energized by 0. Performs on and off, on off, just 1 second. And if you like to use this another, which one is M0, this is the 1 second clock pulse we use, and this is the 1 minute clock pulse M8014. M8014 when we will use, stop this one, go to the edit mode, and here M8014. This is the enter. After you can use the Y1, no problem, and compile this one and go to the simulation. Close this and see what he says. This is the 1 minute clock pulse, and easily you can focus on this M8014. After this 10 Y0 will 1 will be just on and off, yani. Wait for a 1 minute and you can easily check this one. See now Y0 1 is on. This is 1 minute is on time and 1 minute is off time, and 1 minute more if we will wait. After this is 1 minute will be stopped. So in the program you can use, and in next program anywhere you can use this clock pulses, and you can make your program easily installation and everything is work properly. See now M8014 is now closed. This is 1 minute clock pulse, and fast if you like to be using this one, go to again one. I will next show you. See here is, this is 100 milliseconds. This is clock pulse, and this is 10 milliseconds. M8011, M8011 and M8012. M8012, and we will use Y2 this relay, and here one more we will choose M8011 and Y3 we will use, and compile and just make it simulation. Go to the simulation and close this one, and now you can see this one. This is 1 second after on and off, and this is after 1 minute, and this is after 100 milliseconds, 10 milliseconds, and this is 100 milliseconds. This is very fast. This is blinking, but in when you physical use in PLC, after you can see how much time after this will be working, right? And in next program you can see, make the blinker or whatever you can use where you like to be use this with timing relay continue. This is basically using for communications, and also another concepts you can use. This is very easy method to use this internal memory clock pulses. I hope guys you will be understand about this internal memory clock pulses, how we can use. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.